This is my workflow in n8n. So what it does, this is a Google Sheet node that gets the data from the Google Sheet, and if the status of the Google Sheet is pending or inactive, it goes through this node, which is an API endpoint node connected with the Google Sheet. The data from the Google Sheet is stored here, and then the updated status will be saved in the projector status. Let me show you now. First, I have to run the server. This is my server. You can see that it is started on localhost 3000. Let me go there. I have to refresh this. So this is my project status dashboard. Here you can see that I have different tasks such as develop ABI, endpoint, design database schema, and following are status is pending. And in my Google Sheet you can see that I have this status which is currently now pending, active, inactive. So let us update this using the n8n workflow and sample Excel sheet. So I will execute this, and now you can see that the status has been updated. Let me refresh this. You can see that pending, active, inactive, and active, just like the data from the Google Sheet. And when I go here, you can see that it has also make a log of this. This is my HTML page, and this is my server.js. So thank you guys. This is my n8n workflow.